Hello, good evening everyone. So, ito yung message ko. So, nag-prepare talaga ako for message para sa kanila. So, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Lay, but they call me Lai. The college best friend and the incredibly lucky maid of honor of Ian and Shell. So, congratulations to the both of you. I'm so happy for you guys. So, this is the wedding we've been looking forward to. I remember messaging you so many times, feeling so emotional and worried that I won't be able to come because I was waiting my ticket to work abroad. But everything fell into place, and I'm beyond thankful to be here today, celebrating this special moment with you. So I've known Shell since first year college. She is kind and hardworking when it comes to her studies. We were all these sisters together and we were always in the same group. Actually, we had a lot of friends back in college, but now it's just the three of us, Sheena, Shell, and Lai, who have stayed close and still keep in touch with each other. So after our classes, si Shell is laging nagkukwento about kay Lian. So one time po nagtanong sa akin si Shell kung sa Montessori daw ako nag-aaral. Sabi ko, oo, bakit? Kasi si Lian daw is tiga Montessori. So sabi ko, saan Montessori ba? Kasi may kilala akong Lian, baka schoolmate ko. So, sabi ni Shell, Leandre daw. Sabi ko, kasi yung kilala ko, Leandro. So, nung sinabi ni Shell sa Taguig Montessori, so sabi ko, hindi kami schoolmate. Then sabi ko, patingin naman ako ng picture, baka familiar. Then nung habang pinapatingin sa akin ni Shell yung picture ni Lian, kinikilig siya. Yun yung first feeling. Then, to cut the long story short, December 2023, nagsabi na sa akin si Lian na magpo-propose na siya kay Shell ng mga month of June 2024. Basta mid na 2024. However, ang problem ni Lian, hindi alam ni Lian kung ano yung ring size ni Shell. So, nagkaroon kami ng konsyaba ni Lian na aayain namin si Shell na para lang masukat yung ring niya. So, si Sheena, napabili tuloy ng hindi niya naman kailangan na accessories para lang makapagpasukat kami ng ring size no kay Shell. Then, nung nasukat na namin yung ring size ni Shell, sabi niya, Tay, alam mo na yung size ko sabihin mo na kay Lian. Hindi alam ni Shell na yun yung purpose talaga namin kung bakit kami nagpasukat ng ring. Then, nung time na nakuha na ni Lian yung singsing, si Lian is magpapaalam na sa parents ni Shell ng patago na hindi talaga niya alam. So, niyaya ulit namin si Shell. Then si Shell, lagi niya sinasabi kay Lian na sumama. Kaso si Lian, since nga patago siya, so hindi alam ni Shell na planado yon. So, nagsabi pa si Lian kay Shell na, kunwari magkaaway daw kami. Para lang hindi sumama si Lian sa amin. So, yun, yung niyaya namin si Shell, nakapagpaalam naman na si Lian dun sa parents ni Shell. Then, now that you are married, I am truly so happy for both of you. Your love story is such a beautiful one, and I feel so lucky to have witnessed it from the beginning. May your marriage be filled with endless love, patience, and understanding. Through every challenge, may you always choose each other, support each other, and grow together. Keep laughing, keep dreaming, and never stop making each other feel loved. wishing you a lifetime of happiness, unforgettable memories, and a love that only gets stronger with time. I'm always here for you kahit maging malayo pa ako. So congratulations to the both of you.
Ako naman. Okay, good evening everyone. I'm Shane Po, one of Shell's best friend also from college. And nasabi niya na lahat. Message ko na lang sa newlywed natin, of course, congratulations. Finally, ito na yun. Shell. Pinitay mo. And hindi ako showing, pero Shell, sobrang masaya ako para sa'yo. Sobrang proud ako para sa'yo. And wish ko lang sa inyo na wishing you guys a lifetime of love, syempre happiness, and beautiful memories together as one, as husband and wife, soon kids. 7. Edit ko lang. Ayun lang, stay strong and always take care of each other. Saka, nandito kami, Marites. Excited sa future nyo, sa journey nyo, sa story, sa next chapter of your story. Yun lang ulit. Again, congratulations and best wishes.
Thank you very much to our maids of honor for those wonderful toast messages. And now, let us pass the microphone, this time around